Hey guys, Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy, coming back with our virtual training series. So we're still going over our yellow to orange belt. Today we're covering the 3 blocks that you're going to need to advance from your yellow to your orange belt. So right here, we're just going to get right into it. All right, right guard stance. Now, our very first block is going to be our inside parry. Now, a lot of you that attend my classes understand the difference between a block and a parry. A block stops, a parry is going to redirect. Now, when we move into our inside parry, what we want to do is we want to move straight out like so, okay? And we want to aim for that shoulder as much as possible. Are we always going to get it? Probably not. Now, you'll notice that I'm keeping my hand open, and then I'm going to start to pull this hand back to me and bend this elbow. I don't want to pull all the way back by my ear. I want to keep my hand in between my opponent and myself, and then back to my guard. So I push, I redirect, I come back. 1 and back. 1 and back. Good. Here. Switch sides. So again, from right here, straight, redirect, find that power, move it out of the way. 1 and through. 1 and through. Hook. Good. Hook. Hook. Good. Now, inside motion always has an outside counterpart. So again, our outside parry is going to look very similar, but it's going to carry away from the center. So on our inside parry, we struck out straight. Our outside motion is going to take more inside to start, and then we're going to redirect through to the outside. So normally when we do an outside parry, we're trying to go to the weak side. So if I'm in a right guard stance, my opponent is probably punching with their right hand. And so what we want to do is we want to come to the outside of that hand and pivot so that we then can take their back, all right, and strike to where they have the least amount of weapons available to them. So again, find that source of power, redirect the punch, make sure that your hand stays in between you and your opponent. 1 and parry. 1, parry. 1, parry. 1, parry. Switch sides, here we go. So again, a little bit to the inside, parry to the outside, bring it back. Okay, so a lot of people like to make the mistake of kind of circling their arm like this. Okay, what you really want to do is you want to trust that block. So as I'm blocking the punch, I'm using this entire arm. It looks like I'm just using my hand because the way that my hand position is here, but really what I'm doing is I'm relying on my entire arm to be in the way of that punch, and then I'm just going to slightly direct it before I come back. Now, the reason why you'll see me pull this hand back here is I'm ensuring that I'm following the hand and staying connected to it. I want to be sticky when I parry. So I don't want to let that hand, I don't want to strike it away. I want to attach to it, redirect it, and then constantly feel that hand so that I constantly know what my opponent is doing. They begin to pull back, that's my cue to start attacking. So again, slightly off center, to the outside, back to your guard. Slightly off center, to the outside, back to your guard. Hook, back, hook, back, hook. And I like to keep this hand jamming my opponent. That's something we can get into in another video. Now, finally, we have our push block. This is against a big knee strike. So they're coming in, okay, it doesn't have to be a knee strike, it could be a front snap kick, okay? Don't get buried in the what-ifs, all right? But what's happening is they're striking hard with that lower part of their body. What we wanna do is we wanna take our hand, we're gonna turn our fingertips to the inside, and we're gonna bring it down. Now, a lot of people, when they do the push block, they like to just strike straight down, okay, and push that leg down. I like to give my push block a little bit of depth. So really what I'm thinking about is attacking their source of power on their hips. So I want to push, and I want to make sure that I'm getting some good depth, I'm attacking those hips, and I'm making sure to knock them off balance. So I push here, boom, boom, boom. Left side, here we go. Push, 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 and push. All right, guys, so those are the 3 blocks, our inside parry, our outside parry, and our push block. Again, the main difference between a block and a parry is that a block stops. A parry is working on redirecting. Our push block, make sure that you're attacking the power and don't keep it close. Attack and get some depth and make sure you're knocking those hips around. Make sure they don't have any power to hit you with. Until next time, guys, train hard, fight fast, score first. Asai.